Here's a quick video on this 2006 Chevrolet Corvette. This car was locally owned. Two owners. The original owner we did not know, but the customer that purchased it did. It was a personal friend. The car was indoor garage kept, and it was his daily driver. When it was purchased by the second owner, which is a regular customer of ours, he did not drive it. It stayed indoors and just became an extra vehicle. As far as we can tell, the car is basically completely original. Here she runs good. A little steam this morning. It's pretty cold out. No engine noises. Tire condition's probably a strong 80%. Car does include a fitted car cover. Six-speed manual transmission. Perforated sport seats in good shape. Doors and door jambs are not all beat up as normal. People getting in and out of them since they're so low. A lot of times all the doors are all pulled apart, ripped up. No check engine lights, no trouble codes. Push to start with remote fob and entry. That's the car cover laying in the back. Pop the hood. Removable top. Heads-up display, which also works properly. LS2 Corvette engine, completely stock. Even a factory AC Delco battery in it. Car starts, runs, and drives excellent. Tires in great shape. Alloy wheels. Nice all-around car. Call with any questions or jump on the website. We do also have an 07. Nowhere near as nice as this car, but a little bit more affordable with higher mileage. Bose stereo. All the buttons are nice and crisp. They're not all wore down. Nice clean car. Let us know if we can be of any assistance.